Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and to this new series where we will try to learn how to make beautiful crochet stitches. Today we will focus on learning how to make this beautiful and easy tulip stitch that you can use to make borders or to make whatever crochet project that you like. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel because I have more videos to come, and let's get started. First, I'm using a 5mm crochet hook. Start with your first slip knot, chain 14, then add an extra chain at the end. So you will be chaining a total of 15 chains. Skip your first chain and insert your hook in the second chain to make your first single crochet. Make another single crochet and finish this row making single crochets in every stitch. Turn over your work, make one chain and insert your hook in your first single crochet or your first stitch and make one single crochet. Make another single crochet in the next stitch and finish the whole row following the same pattern. Since we started with 14 chains and 14 single crochets in the previous row, this row you should also have 14 chains. To make even ends, always count at the end of every row or round. Again, we will chain one and turn over and make a third row of single crochets. The last single crochet, leave it half undone, and I mean leave 2 loops in your crochet hook and add a different color following this simple step like this. Chain 1, chain 2 and add your third chain. Now skip one stitch and insert your hook in the second stitch and make a V-stitch. If you don't know how to make a V-stitch, please see my previous video. I will leave a link in the description box below. Skip 2 stitches, insert your hook in the third and make another V-stitch. We will keep following the same pattern until we finish this row. finish this row, we will make one double crochet at the end or in the final stitch. Leave your double crochet half undone by leaving 2 loops in your crochet hook and add another color. This row of V-stitches was supposed to be green, but since I don't have green yarn, I used a gray color. You can use whatever color you like. Now I'm adding a red color for the tulips. Add your new color following this step. Chain 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then inside your first V-stitch, make a crochet puff of 5 double crochets. If you don't know how to make a crochet puff, please watch my next video. I will leave a link in the description box below. You should count 6 loops in your crochet hook, then yarn over and pull through all of them. Now make 2 chains, then add another puff inside the next V-stitch. For this row, we will finish following the same pattern. Making a puff in every V-stitch and leaving 2 chains separating each puff from the next one. Now we make 1 chain and make a double crochet in your 3rd chain from your previous row, like this. Keep your double crochet half undone to introduce or to bring back your white color, and chain 1. Make 1 single crochet inside the first stitch, add another single crochet inside this loop, add another single crochet in the eye or inside the eye of your puff, 2 double crochets on top of the 2 chains separating each puff, and we will continue following this pattern. 1 single crochet in the eye of your puff and 2 single crochets on top of the 2 chains separating each puff. At the end of your row, make 1 single crochet, then add another one in your 3rd chain from your previous row, like this. Now, you should count your single crochets to find 14 single crochets, Remember that we started with 14 single crochets, so to keep the work even, we have, or you should have, 14 single crochets. Now make a second row of single crochets. Then a third row of single crochets. So basically this is the pattern that you should follow in order to make a tulip stitch. 3 rows of single crochets of 14 single crochets, a row of V-stitches and a row of crochet puffs to create beautiful tulips. Now you should know this. If you want to make your chain longer, add 5 chains for every tulip. Every crochet tulip needs 5 chains. For example, if you want to add 4 tulips, you should add 20 chains. Now we are adding a row of V-stitches following the same pattern. Now you need to focus. If we add our red color like we did previously, the row of tulip stitches will be facing this side, so they won't be facing the same side of the previous tulip stitches, and we want them to be facing the same side, so we will finish this row here and cut our yarn. Then we will start here. Insert your hook in your third chain from the previous row. Pull your yarn, make 1 chain, 2, 3 and 4, then add a puff in each V-stitch, the same we did in the previous row of tulip stitches. Now by doing this trick and starting from this side of the row, each puff will be facing the same side. Since the focal point of this crochet stitch is the tulips, they need to be facing the same side. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel because I have more cool stuff planned, and we will be working on cool crochet projects following the same pattern of tulip stitch. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, both rows of tulips are facing the same side and they look more beautiful this way. Now we will be adding 3 rows of white yarn of 14 single crochets following the same pattern that we did previously. And this is how you make a crochet tulip stitch. It's beautiful, easy and fun. I can already imagine how many cool projects that I can work with following or using this beautiful crochet stitch. Maybe I will share some with you on this channel. So subscribe! Now we've arrived at the end of our video. This is the final result. It's beautiful, easy, and you can use it to crochet or to work on multiple crochet projects. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. I have more crochet stitches that I want to teach you in this series, so stay tuned. And remember, crochet is fun, crochet is easy, and crochet is a gift. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and goodbye!